The most dangerous moment in off-plan property may be the moment when everything looks perfect. The brochure is beautiful, the price looks attractive, the payment plan feels easy, the house looks finished, the pool is there, the garden is there, the view is there. But there's one problem. The home does not exist yet. You cannot walk inside. You cannot test the doors. You cannot touch the walls. You cannot hear the noise around it. You cannot check the final view. You cannot know exactly what the finished home will feel like. A complete home can be inspected. An off-plan home must be trusted. And that difference changes everything. Because when you buy off-plan, you are not only buying a home, you are buying a promise, a drawing, a floor plan, a delivery date, a price, a future building. So the real question is not, does this home look good? The real question is, what I'm paying for before I can check it. That's the investigation. Imagine two homes. The first one is already built. You can walk inside. You can open the doors. You can check the light. You can hear the street. You can see the real view. You can feel if the home works. The second one is off-plan. It looks better. The design is cleaner. The price looks lower. The payment plan feels easier. The brochure makes it feel like a better opportunity. Which one would you choose? Most buyers are attracted to the second one. And that makes sense. It looks newer. It feels easier. It feels like getting in early. But serious buyers ask a different question. Not which one looks better, but which one can I check? Because buying a completed home means checking a real asset. Buying off-plan means trusting a future promise. And the earlier you buy, the more you have to believe. This is the gap most buyers forget. Between the day you pay and the day the home is finished, many things can change. The design can change, the view can change, the price can change, the market can change, and sometimes your own life can change. This is why off-plan property is different. You are not checking a home, you are trusting a future result. The brochure can show what the home should become, but it cannot prove that the home will be. Not yet. So before you fall in love with the promise, ask one simple question. What can change before this home becomes real? Because the risk is not only the home you are buying, it's everything that can happen before you get it. Here's where many buyers get surprised. They think the price of the house is the price of the project. But that is not always true. Sometimes the price shows the house, not what the land needs before the house can exist. Foundations, drainage, wastewaters, earthworks, access, connections, soil problems, water management. These things may sound boring, but they can change the budget fast. If the ground needs more work than expected, someone has to pay for it. And if it was not included in the price, the buyer may discover the real cost too late. That's why one question matters. What exactly is included in the price? Because the brochure shows the house, but the land decides part of the cost. Now imagine the project is late, not by a few days, by 1 year, maybe 2. For the buyer, delay is not just waiting. Delay can mean paying rent for longer, paying a loan before the home is ready, losing rental income, changing moving plan, or keeping money locked in a project that still is not finished. And the difficult part of this, many delays sound reasonable, whether permits, materials, labor, design change, site problems, but reasonable or not, the buyer still feels the cost. So before buying off-plan, ask a simple question. What happens if this project is late? Because a delivery date is not only a date. For the buyer, it can become money, stress, and time lost. Now imagine the home is finally delivered. The project is finished. The keys are ready, but something feels different. The layout is not exactly what you expected. The finishes feel cheaper. The view is not the same. The outside space feels smaller. The noise is worse than you imagined. Maybe each change looks small, but together they can change how the home feels. And in property, how a home feels matters. It affects how much people want it, how easy it's to rent, how easy it's to sell, and how confident the next buyer feels. This is why contract matters, not because paperwork is exciting, but because it tells you what was really promised. Before buying off-plan, ask one simple question. What exactly must the finished home match? With off-plan property, you usually pay before the home is finished, sometimes in stages, sometimes over months, sometimes over a year, and every payment puts more of your money into something you still cannot check. That is not always a problem. If the project goes well, the home is delivered, and the market stays strong. Everything may work. But what if it does not? What if the project slows down? What if your situation changes? What if the market becomes weaker? What if you need to sell before the home is finished? And what if nobody wants to buy? That's where the risk becomes real. You may own a promise, but you may not have an easy way out. This is how money becomes trapped. How do serious buyers protect themselves? They do not try to predict everything. They try to see the problems early. Before paying, they ask simple questions. Who is building it? What have they delivered before? What exactly is included in the price? Are foundations included? Is drainage included? Is wastewater included? Who checked the work before the next payment? What happens if the project is late? Can I sell before the home is finished? These questions are not there to kill the dream. They are there to test it. Because a good project can survive good questions. And if the answers are unclear, that is already information. The goal is not to find a perfect home. The goal is to know what you are really buying before your money is already inside the project. Off-plan property is not always a bad decision, but it's a different decision. You are not only buying a home, you are buying a promise. The project can be late, the price can be incomplete, the land can cost more than expected. The finished home can be different, the market can change, selling can become harder, and your money can become trapped. That is why the question is never only, does this home look good? The real question is, what I'm paying for before I can check it. A completed home can be inspected. An off-plan home must be trusted. And in real estate, the most expensive mistake is not always paying too much. Sometimes it's trusting too early.